Hi, my name is Manny. I just wanted to let you know that Dr. Davis has got to be one of my favorite people in the world. I went to him originally because I could barely walk. I had difficulty climbing a flight of stairs, bending down, and he took care of me right away. It was incredible. I just thought it was going to be so much more complex, and it was so simple what he did. But he took care of my legs right away. I couldn't believe it. I'm playing golf now. I'm dancing. I'm back. I got my life back. And then a couple of years later, I ended up with neuropathy. And I said, well, let me check with Dr. Davis. And sure enough, I went there and he took care of me. And in one visit, almost all of my neuropathy was gone. It was incredible. I'm not saying that's going to happen for everybody, but for me, that was my experience. So if you're thinking about going to see Dr. Davis, I can't express to you how much I think you should try him. He's the best. And I tell all my friends about him, and I'm telling you, give him a try. You won't regret it. Thank you. Good luck.